Meet the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a small but feature-packed drone that can easily fit in your jacket pocket while delivering professional 4K video quality. It's a game changer for portable drones, offering convenience without compromising performance. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or just filming outdoors, this lightweight drone is designed for easy carrying, eliminating the need for bulky cases. Despite its size, the Mini 5 Pro shoots stunning 4K videos, perfect for beginners and experienced creators alike. It features advanced technology like obstacle avoidance with APS 4.0, which detects and avoids obstacles, and Active Track 4.0, which lets the drone follow moving subjects smoothly. These tools make flying safer and filming effortless. This large sensor ensures excellent image quality with vivid colors and sharp details, even in little light conditions. Whether you're shooting during sunrise, sunset, or in shadowy environments, the sensor delivers professional-grade visuals with high dynamic range and minimal noise. A key feature of the Mini 5 Pro is its 3-axis gimbal stabilization, which keeps your footage smooth and steady, even in challenging weather like windy conditions. This ensures cinematic results without the jittery effects that can ruin aerial shots. The drone also comes with intelligent flight features designed to simplify complex filming techniques. Quick Shots offer pre-programmed flight paths like circle and helix, allowing you to add dynamic motion to your videos effortlessly. With just a tap, the drone executes these movements, making it ideal for beginners or those looking to enhance their footage quickly. For more advanced creativity, a Master Shots feature uses AI to automatically plan and execute a sequence of sophisticated flight paths. It captures multiple shots from different angles and then edits them into a polished video. This eliminates the need for manual planning or extensive editing, letting you focus on capturing your vision. These features are complemented by an impressive battery life, offering up to 34 minutes of flight time on a standard battery and 47 minutes with an extended one. This extended duration allows you to focus on getting the perfect shots without frequent interruptions, making the Mini 5 Pro a reliable companion for long shooting sessions. The Mini 5 Pro is ideal for travel vloggers, photographers, and content creators who need high-quality footage in a portable, user-friendly package. With smart flight modes and a balance of portability and performance, it's the perfect tool to unleash your creativity. Introducing the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a compact drone that's packed with powerful features. It's small enough to fit in your jacket pocket, but strong enough to shoot professional quality 4K video. This might sound like something from a sci-fi movie, but it's real. The Mini 5 Pro is here, changing what we expect from portable drones. This drone is designed to be incredibly portable. It's lightweight and small enough to easily fit into your jacket pocket. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or just filming outdoors, the Mini 5 Pro is convenient and easy to carry. Unlike larger drones that need bulky carrying cases, this one makes it simple to take your drone wherever you go without worrying about extra gear. Despite its size, the Mini 5 Pro doesn't compromise on performance. The Mini 5 Pro also includes advanced features that make flying and filming safer and easier. One of its key features is obstacle avoidance. With APS 4.0, it can detect and avoid obstacles in real time. This helps you avoid crashes even when flying in tight spaces or rough terrain. You can fly with confidence knowing the drone can safely navigate its environment. Another great feature is Active Track 4.0, which allows the drone to lock onto a subject and follow it smoothly. It ensures the subject stays in frame no matter how they move, making it easy to capture moving shots without needing to manually control the drone. This makes filming dynamic action shots or beautiful landscapes effortless and smooth. So, who is the DJI Mini 5 Pro for? It's for anyone who wants high-quality footage without the bulk. If you're a travel vlogger, you'll love how easy it is to carry around. The Mini 5 Pro is small and light, so you can take it with you on your travels without extra hassle. For content creators, it provides the perfect balance between portability and top-notch visuals. With its 4K video and smart flight modes, you don't have to compromise on quality. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a powerful portable drone that brings professional-level features to anyone who wants to capture stunning footage. With its 4K video, advanced camera, intelligent flight modes, and impressive battery life, it offers everything you need in a compact, easy-to-use package. Whether you're a vlogger, photographer, or content creator, the Mini 5 Pro is a great tool to help bring your creative ideas to life.